Still driving with the same oil from last year? Your engine deserves better, my friend. The engine oil keeps everything inside your engine cool and slippery. The oil filter catches all the metal bits, dirt, and sludge that build up while you drive. Skip it for too long, and your engine starts running on pure regret. You'll know it's overdue when the oil looks darker than your morning coffee, the engine sounds rough or ticks at idle, or your car feels like it's running through peanut butter instead of oil. Changing it keeps your engine smooth, quiet, and ready for more miles. Drain the old oil, swap the filter, add fresh oil. Done. A simple job that can save your engine from an early funeral. Clean oil, socket happy engine. Dirty oil, the expensive lesson. Just gave this car a fresh start. Like if you've ever pushed your oil change too far. Comment your favorite engine oil brand. A follow for more car fixes that keep your wallet safe.